So what are you gonna say?
Dada.
Good
Hey
job.
gang, welcome back to an amazing good video of woodworkers. Today we will be making a big birdhouse.
Yeah.
Well, it's not actually going to be big. Let's start building it, gang.
Okay, what should we talk? Should we tell them about this?
Yeah.
What do we-
Where's your
Well,
tool from
you need hammers, nails, screwdrivers, and screws.
Good job.
That's what we got here. Well,
so
we
now-
forgot the screws and nails.
Yeah, I think they're in the box. Now
Remember,
you
gang.
say. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Remember, gang, you can paint whatever you want on it, but make sure it's a good house for birds.
Good house. Can you say? Point at the camera and say, "Good house for birds."
It's a really good house.
Good house.
I
for
don't
birds.
even know what to paint on it yet. Gotta
All right.
figure out it.
Let's take it out of the box. You be careful with that screwdriver, okay?
Is that your hammer,
Oh,
Dad?
man, this is a Stanley Jr.
And
bird feeder.
it's time for some jazz hands. Are you sure you're doing that right, Dad?
Yes, I'm sure. Silly Billy Ilio.
Silly Billy Elio. I'm so silly. Want to see me get silly? No, you don't. I was just teasing you. What was that?
I don't know.
Maybe it was an owl.
Oh, that looks like the right spot.
Oh, I just hammered my lips
Oh, ouch. Why'd you do that?
because I wanted to. Don't let me hammer your fingers, Dad. Hammer time.
Should we take these back out and glue them a minute?
Yeah, good idea. Can this be an eagle feeder?
Maybe if we use the right kind of bird food.
Can we get some eagle food?
We'll see. How's that apple?
I got grass on it, but it still tastes good.
Hey, should we play charades?
Okay, I'll go first.
Are you a chimpanzee?
Nope, I'm a monkey. Why are you so bad at charades?
I don't know. You were clearly a monkey and not a chimpanzee.
Can we paint yet?
In just a minute.
Let's see this bird. Paint in the birdhouse, gang. How about we call it Bad Birds?
Okay. Angry birds.
Oh yeah! Angry birds. Angry bad boy birds.
Angry bird house.
Yeah, let's call
But it's
it.
a bird feeder.
How about we call it Angry Bird House?
I still think we should call it the Bad Boys of Bird Feeders.
Oh, I have a better idea. We can call it Bad Birds of Cool Boys.
Bad Birds, Cool Boys.
Bad Birds of Cool Boys.
Bad Birds of Cool Boys.
Uh-huh.
How about Bad Birds of Cool Boys?
Oh, yeah. Because we love to swim.
All done?
Oh, done.
Let's let her dry.
got
First, we better show the camera what it looks like.
it. Yeah. Yeah, dude, camera. This is what the our birdhouse looks like.
This is what the best birdhouse in America looks like.
The birdhouse that me and my dad made. Is that eagle food?
Yeah.
We're going to be hanging up a bird feeder. Don't put it there, Dad. Put it there instead. Thanks for watching, gang. Don't forget to like and subscribe.